Hello, it's Elena Gordon. Tip Tuesday. Today we'll talk about fire safety. Tip 1. Clean your dryer vents and avoid a house fire. Every time you use your dryer, you are adding a little bit of lint to the vent. This means the dryer less efficient cooling down and will take longer to dry out your clothes. But it's also turned to the dryers to the fire hazards. Remove the vent at the back of the dryer and vacuum the area. Tip number 2. Replace the batteries and smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Twice a year, change the battery in each detector. If you're prone to forget this task, change the batteries when you change your clocks for a daylight saving time. After replacement, be sure to hold the test button down for 15 to 20 seconds after the changing, so you can hear whether or not the battery is faulty. Tip number 3. Make sure you check your fire extinguisher. I'm not saying set it off, but you need to inspect it with a few things in mind. You should to make sure the fire extinguisher is accessible, the safety seals are intact, the pressure gauge is within normal parameters, there is no damage to the extinguisher like corrosion, dents or leakage, and you are documenting your inspection. Because the last thing you want that your dryer will start the fire and your smoke alarm will not detect it, and then your fire extinguisher to fail. That's all for today. See you next Tuesday.